Hello and welcome to Art 2. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to make money selling digital downloads on Etsy. Etsy is an online marketplace that provides a great platform for creators to sell their unique products, and digital downloads are becoming an increasingly popular item to sell. Digital downloads are an excellent way to make money, as you can sell them multiple times without any additional production costs. In this video, we will discuss some tips and tricks to help you get started and make a successful business selling digital downloads on Etsy. Find your niche. The first step in making money selling digital downloads on Etsy is to find your niche. You should identify a specific area that you have expertise in and that is in high demand. This will allow you to create unique and valuable products that people will be willing to pay for. For example, if you are a graphic designer, you might want to create digital downloads like printable planner pages, social media templates, or digital artwork. Alternatively, if you are a writer, you could create ebooks or printables with inspirational quotes. Create your products. Once you have identified your niche, you can start creating your products. It's essential to create high-quality products that are visually appealing, easy to use, and have a clear value proposition. When creating your digital downloads, consider using professional software such as Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, or InDesign to make them look polished and professional. You can also find templates and resources on websites like Creative Market or Etsy itself. Set up your shop. Next, you will need to set up your Etsy shop. This is a relatively straightforward process that involves creating an account and following Etsy's instructions for setting up your shop. Make sure that your shop is well organized, with clear product descriptions, high-quality product images, and easy-to-use purchasing options. You may also want to consider offering bundle deals or discounts for multiple purchases to entice customers to buy more of your products. Price your products. One of the most important factors in making money selling digital downloads on Etsy is setting the right price for your products. Consider factors such as the time and effort it takes to create your products, as well as your competition's prices. It's essential to be competitive while also setting a price that reflects the value of your work. You may also want to consider offering different pricing options, such as a premium package with additional products or features. Promote your shop. Finally, once your shop is set up and your products are listed, it's time to start promoting your shop. There are a few ways to do this. Social media. Use social media platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, or Facebook to showcase your products and promote your shop. Guest blogging. Write blog posts or guest blog on other websites to increase your visibility and promote your shop. Paid advertising. Consider using paid advertising such as Google AdWords or Facebook ads to reach a wider audience. In conclusion, selling digital downloads on Etsy can be a lucrative business if you have the right products, pricing, and marketing strategy. Remember to find your niche, create high-quality products, set up your shop, price your products appropriately, and promote your shop effectively. By following these tips and tricks, you can build a successful business and make money selling digital downloads on Etsy. If you enjoyed today's video and have not already subscribed, do it now so you know when the next video is uploaded. Thanks for watching and don't forget to join us for the next video.